Hey everyone, it's Jenny Garcia, and in this video I have another December daily project, and this time I am doing day 9 and 10. So on the right page I have an empty page protector space, so I'm doing a shaker pocket, and I gotta be careful with the shaker pockets and the embellishments and all that because I'm on day 13, I think, and my December daily is so fat. This is why I wanted to think about maybe trying the 4 1/4 by 8.5 size of the Citrus Twist binder, but that's not gonna happen. So inside the pocket, I use one of the sequin mixes that I made last year, and I'm just adding a snowflake on each side, and they're exactly the same die cut, and these are from I think they are from Paper Issues, and they're free. But I kept that pocket super simple. It was the sequins, the snowflake, and a little sticker. I think those are from Ellie Studio, from their, it wasn't their last year's kit, I think it was 2018, because I know that I got that kit during Black Friday. So if you are interested in Ellie Studio kits, but maybe you can't afford the whole thing, maybe you can buy an older kit. And this card is from In a Creative Bubble, and I love these cards. They're super simple. They're not holiday cards, but they are about documenting things that you watch, things that you play, things that you listen to. And since the girls were playing a game with the elf, and this game has emojis, and you can arrange them, and the other person needs to guess what are you trying to, what is the title of the movie, which was how Charlie the Elf did it. And if whenever you guess, you get a gold emoji, a gold poop emoji. So these are the little cards that she had. It looks like she was still looking around maybe to add something different. And I stamp this stamp is from Feed Your Craft from last year, and I also added these elf stickers, which are from Target, and I can't remember if I got it last year or the year before. And then I added a little flag on the corner, which is from, I think it's from the Feed Your Craft kit too. Right next to me you can see my daughter like picking her hand and giving me advice on what to pick. And I decided to stamp on white, and I got I normally use the Brilliance ink, but I got a new pad. Mine was getting kind of old and yucky, and it wasn't stamping as well as should have. It did lasted years, so I think it's around $8 to $11 maybe. So for a few years, I think it's a pretty good price. And I was so surprised. I've been using it for quite a few years. So when I saw it, the difference was really big. And this is my old ink. And I thought that like when you see it live, you can really tell the difference. But I guess you can't tell on camera. And it stamps. I was like so flipping surprised because it stamped amazing. I just wanted to add a little star from the Figure Craft stickers. It's so bright. I'm so excited. And this is the next day, and the next day I'm gonna have more of a neutral layout spread, because I have a big 6x8 photos, and I need to cool down on those. I think that's one thing that it's making my album so fat. It's the giant photos that I was using. I used way too many. And yeah, I'm gonna keep this super simple. The numbers are from last year's In a Creative Bubble kit. No, it's not In a Creative Bubble, I'm sorry, it's from Feed Your Craft, but it was designed by In a Creative Bubble. I get the super simple with 3 black hearts, and this is a Harry Potter ornament that I got when I went to Disney and Universal, and I have a Harry Potter tree, so I was trying to stamp with white there. I thought that it would be more visible, but it didn't. And then on top of that, I didn't wait for that to dry. I didn't try to like put my hand over it to blot it or anything. I went and stamped in black, and since the ink, the white ink, was still wet, it also didn't stamp well. So I was ready, and I was thinking about using a label and still use the stamp, but then I found a die cut that looked very well. And the die cut is from Feed Your Craft, and I'm still gonna use that stamp on the bottom, but I'm trying to like go with the curve of the ornament. I can't remember what I think it was, I have no idea what that stands at. Yeah, and I kept that, I tried to keep that as simple as I could, because lately I've been overworking everything like I normally do though. So this ink pad is also very old, it stays on, so it kind of ruined the stamp, and I tried to go exactly over it and it wasn't working. So after I finished this video, I re-inked it, so hopefully next time I want to do something like this, it will work out. But I did have some cork embellishments that I made last year, and I just stamped in circles and punched them out or use one of my dies. And I have quite a few. And that one, the top one that says love this, is from Ellie's Studio. A few of them are from even Freckle Fawn. I know that little tree and the joy are from Freckle Fawn. And Be a Good Cheer, that's also, that one and the Mary are from the Feed Your Craft kit, which I'm still stocking. That's it for now. I'm gonna keep it super simple before I keep ruining it. And honestly, I'm not that happy with the cork, but it is what it is. I'll have to just roll with it. Better done than perfect. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more, and make sure to let me know if you are preparing to the December daily. I haven't finished this one, and I already have plans for next year. Not next year, it's still this year. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye.